Why don't senior citizens use bookmarks? Because every time they open up their favorite book, their wigs flip over the page for them. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on wigs for seniors. Tip 1. Experiment with different styles. As a senior, don't be afraid to venture out and experiment with different wig styles and colors. It's entirely possible to find something that flatters your face and matches your personality. This could range from short and neat cuts to luxurious and voluminous curls. Switching up styles can help keep you looking stylish and vibrant. Tip 2. Choose wigs with lightweight materials. Heavy wigs can be uncomfortable, especially for prolonged wear. Lightweight wigs will not only provide you comfort but will also mimic natural hair, providing a more realistic look. Consider wigs made from human hair or high-quality synthetic material for the best results. Tip 3. Consider your skin tone. When selecting the color of your wig, it's essential to consider your skin tone. A color that complements your skin tone can enhance your overall look and highlight your features better. Personal consultants in wig stores can offer great assistance in this area. Tip 4. Try before buying. Just as you would with clothing, it's crucial to try your wig on before purchasing it. This ensures it fits, feels comfortable, and looks just how you want it to. Most wig shops and department stores will have fitting rooms available. Tip 5. Purchase a proper wig stand. A wig stand helps to maintain the shape of the wig when not in use, thereby prolonging its life. This handy tool will help keep your wig looking its best and is an essential part of wig maintenance. Tip 6. Learn basic maintenance tips. Brushing your wig regularly helps prevent tangles. However, be gentle to avoid damaging the fibers. Also, learn how to wash your wig properly, as washing extends its durability and keeps it looking fresh and vibrant. Tip 7. Get a professionally customized wig. Consider getting a customized wig for the perfect fit and look. Customizing allows you to choose everything from the style and length to the type of hair and color. While it might cost more, the benefits of a personalized and comfortable wig are worth it. Tip 8. Keep your natural hair maintained underneath. Strong, healthy hair ensures that the wig fits well and feels comfortable. Regular shampooing, conditioning, and timely haircuts are thus necessary to maintain the health of your natural hair. Tip 9. Resolve any scalp issues. Continuous wearing of wigs can sometimes lead to scalp issues such as itching or dryness. If you are experiencing this, talk to a dermatologist who can provide solutions such as specific shampoos or conditioners. Tip 10. Rotate your wigs. Just like shoes, it can be beneficial to have more than one wig. This allows you to switch them out, reducing wear and giving them time to return to their natural shape. Plus, it's always fun to change up your look. Tip 11. Comfort first. Regardless of how perfect a wig may look, if it's not comfortable, it's not for you. A wig that is too tight can cause headaches, while one that is too loose may slip off. The right wig should feel secure but comfortable, as if it's your natural hair.